So this is regarding a very nice gentleman, Dr. Abdullahi.
30 years of age, coming from Nigeria.
For a surgery for bilateral anterior cruciate ligament tears in his knees. So he himself was a doctor, sustained this injury while playing sports. So he was a sports enthusiast.
I came to Workout Hospital about 17 to 18 days ago due to an injury I got on both of my knees. This injury was a twisting injury I got while having sports, to be precise, soccer, some years back, and I've been contemplating on how to fix it.
And I think it took a while for him to know that he had bilateral ligament tears in his knees in Nigeria. But I think as soon as the diagnosis was done, he contacted our hospital and he heard about us, and then he decided to visit India for his surgery. So he came to us about 2 weeks ago, where we repeated his MRIs and it showed bilateral ACL tears and also a meniscus tear in his left knee. And we decided to do arthroscopic anterior cruciate ligament reconstruction for both his knees. We did it about a couple of weeks ago. His last surgery was about a week ago. We did it in a sequential fashion where I operated on his right knee first and then his left knee after a week or so. We were able to do the most advanced technique of ACL reconstruction in him, which is an internal brace fiber tape technique where we actually add a seatbelt effect to the anterior cruciate ligament so that the healing is faster and recovery is much quicker. So he's planning to go back to his home country. We have decided that he will pursue his physiotherapy there, and I think he will do very well. I wish him all the best, and thank you for having trust in us and visiting us.
Even though after investigation shows I have bilateral ACL ligament tear with left meniscal tear. Well, from my workplace, I got to hear from Workout Hospital and Dr. Mohit, which is a known ACL reconstruction arthroscopic surgeon. And after reading well about him, I was satisfied and I came to Workout Hospital, India. The reception here was good. When I came, I was received by Dr. Mohit, and preliminary investigations were done here before the surgery. History was taken, and all investigations and all the things needed before the surgery was done. The staff here were very generous, hospitable, and professional. Very nice. I enjoyed my stay here. It was like I never left anywhere. The surgery was done in 2 stages. First, the right one was done, then a week after, the left one was done. And I can feel much better after the surgery was done. And through this, my course of recuperation, starting from the cleaners to the anesthetists, nurses, doctors, lab technicians were top notch. The journey was taken from me from 0% to 100%. My care was their point of priority. Nothing was left off. Even the dietitians always come in every day to ask me of how I am feeling. I was given a 5-star care here in this hospital, and now after the surgery, this is a week after the final surgery was done, and I feel much better. Throughout the surgery, it was painless. I was no living of feeling of loneliness, and it was perfect. I really, really loved my stay in this hospital, and I would recommend it for anyone coming here. Thank you very much.